Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Self-Care Sundays, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. For today's video, I'm about to make a little juice, okay? Show you guys the juice that I've been making for the past week. And it's basically a freestyle. I looked up a few different types of recipes, but this one is basically a combination of just different things, and so far so good. I really like it. It really helps with digestion, and then some of these ingredients also help with your skin too. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching, and let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, let's go over the ingredients. So you're gonna need turmeric root. So I have some turmeric roots. You're also going to need ginger root, so ginger root. And then you also need some carrots, a lemon, an apple. I have some celery, cucumber, and then some kale. And then you also need a juicer too. And with all these ingredients, it typically makes more than 1 cup of juice. So usually about two cups of juice. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything, and then I'm gonna cut it up so that I can put it into my juicer.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you. You know, I see you, my baby. You know, I ride with you, my baby. I don't cover that, I die for you, I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me. No, baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me. No, baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise.
Okay, so then I'm gonna put everything into my juicer. This is my juicer. It's pretty simple to put together. So this is one piece. It has a few pieces that go with it, but this is the first piece. I just drop this one in, and then the second piece, and then I just put this piece on top. I don't know if you guys can see this. Alrighty, so then this is my juicer, and then I just put this part up to lock it in. And then this piece is what you use to kind of push everything down. And it's pretty simple to clean too. Basically, I just take everything apart and dump it all in the trash. And then I'm gonna put it into my juice into this glass bottle. So I usually do it over the sink because to me it gets a little messy. So it's easier for me to clean if I'm doing it over the sink. So those are the ingredients that I'm about to use. I washed everything. I'm gonna start with the kale first because I feel like once it's started and I try to add kale, things start flying up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add the kale first. Oops, dropping some kale. It might just be me that's messy, but anyway, I feel like I'm messy with the juicer. So first I'm gonna add my kale, and then I have everything else ready. Actually, let me cut. I should have cut my stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the celery actually into some pieces so it's easier for me to put into my juicer. I usually just cut it in half, and then I'm gonna try to cut off these little ends, the ends of the celery too. Alright, So there's my juicer. Then I'm just gonna cut the cucumber in half. So that's in half. I'm gonna take off the tops of the carrots. And then like usually, like this juicer really just brings everything down. So it's not like any of this stuff will be in the actual juice, but just so it's easier. And then I don't know if I mentioned an apple. I'm gonna add an apple to it too. And then I'm gonna cut the ginger. I don't need the whole thing of ginger. I'm probably just gonna use like this much ginger. So I'm gonna add the ginger too. All right, I think we're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my juicer. So there's also a little on button that's over here.
Call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But, get it, come to me, to me. Come to me, let's go. Come to me, Fatu mata jembele, oh, Lord. Fatu mata jembele, oh, jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatu mata jembele, everything being safe again, no. Everything for your jembele, oh, jembele, oh, oh, yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you, you are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Okay, so this is basically how much juice I just made. So I'm gonna shake it up just a little bit. And then, here we go, I'm gonna pour it into my cup. And guys, like this juice, like maybe TMI, I don't know, but it will have you like in the bathroom. So if you are having any like type of digestion issues. And then what I do, which is optional, is I'm gonna add my vitamin C. So I got this one, and this is basically, it helps with your immune system and also helps promote cell protection and antioxidants and things like that. So I usually, and I drink this every morning. I've been drinking this every morning, and then I add this to it to help my little immune system. So I'm not even gonna put that much, really. Actually, it is kind of a lot. So that's basically how much I'm gonna put inside of my drink, and then I'm gonna stir it around. And I will admit that adding this does make it a little bit like tart, because the vitamin C actually just tastes tart by itself. So it will make it a little tart, but I feel like it's fine with me. So obviously it's optional. And yeah, like I said, it definitely helps with digestion. It also helps me feel hungry too. I mean, not hungry. It helps me like feel full after I drink it in the morning, and I'm usually good until like even lunch or dinner sometimes. So anyway, that is the end of my video, my little juicing video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and comment down below. If you have some recipes of your own that you guys like to do in juice, leave them down below. Like this video, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.